Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Today we are having another lesson that is more crucial in English. It is about the verb to have in present simple tense in negative form. Mwaramutse mwiriwe, uyu munsi tugiye kureba irindi somo ry'ingenzi cyane mu Cyongereza, aho tugiye kurebera hamwe verb to have muri present simple tense mu buryo bwo guhakana. Bonjour, bon après-midi, bonsoir, mesdames et messieurs. Aujourd'hui, nous allons voir une autre leçon qui est très importante en français. C'est un verbe avoir au présent indicatif à la forme négative. Here we go. Twagiye, c'est parti. Then, as I was saying, we are gonna see the verb to have in the present simple tense. Tugiye kureba verb to have muri present simple tense. So this is in negative form, le buryo bwo guhakana bye la forme negative. We have some subjective pronouns and this is negative form. Subject, this I suppose you know since I just taught you many things about this and how they are used up. And then we have I, you, we, they, and we have he, she, and it. Then ikintu cy'ingenzi hano tugomba kumenya iyo turi gukoresha negative form kuma verbs yose, not only in English, but also when we are using this negative form with these subjective pronouns, ntabwo dukoresha is, do not or does not kuri verb to have gusa, but this is also used for some other verbs in the present simple tense. So this is an example of the verb to have. Donc c'est un exemple sur le verbe avoir cyangwa n'urugero kuri ku nshinga yo kugira, ariko ibi bikora no kundi yandi ma verbs yose mu Cyongereza. And then when we say, for example, I do not have, we say you do not have, we do not have, or they do not have. Dushobora gukoresha uburyo bwo guhina iyi do not tugakoresha don't. I don't have, you don't have, we don't have, they don't have, or else he does not have, she does not have, and it does not have. We can also say he doesn't have, she doesn't have, it doesn't have. Hano mu Cyongereza abantu benshi bakunda gukoresha amakosa, bakavuga amakosa iyo bari kuvuga, then ukumva nk'urugero avuze ngo I not have cyangwa I have not. Oya, mu Cyongereza ntabwo ariko tuvuga. Ku ma verbs yose yo mu Cyongereza iyo turi guhakana dukoresha don't cyangwa do not kuri subject I, you, we, they. Tugakoresha does not cyangwa doesn't kuri subject he, she, it. Narasobanuriye ko izi subjects zikoreshwa. And then for example here you see we have some examples, like when we say I do not have a book, we can also say I don't have a book. Mu Kinyarwanda turavuga ngo nta gitabo mfite. In French we say je n'ai pas de livre. Ntabwo dushobora kuvuga ngo I not have a book nk'uko abantu benshi babikoresha, cyangwa I have not a book. Oya, dukoresha uburyo bwo guhakana do not cyangwa don't kuri I, you, we, they nk'uko nabivuze. I don't have a book or I do not have a book. Nta gitabo mfite, or French, je n'ai pas de livre. And then here we say we do not have a house or we don't have a house. We don't say we have not a house or we not have a house, but we say we do not have a house and we don't have a house. In Kinyarwanda we say nta nzu dufite, En français on dit nous n'avons pas de maison. Or else we have another example, he does not a phone or he doesn't have a phone. Hano murabona ko byahise bihinduka iyo tugeze kuri he. Ntabwo twongera gukoresha do not cyangwa don't, turetse dukoresha does not cyangwa doesn't. Bino birakora kuri he, she, it. Mwibuke twabivuzeho ko iyo tugeze kuri he, she, it dukoresha does not cyangwa twakoresha doesn't mu buryo bwo guhina. Then here we say he does not have a phone or he doesn't have a phone. In Kinyarwanda we say nta telefone afite. In French we say il n'a pas de téléphone. Then this means that you just remember, I want you to practice this kind of sentences so that you just get to know how this verb is used. When we say I don't have a phone, nta telefone mfite, cyangwa je n'ai pas de téléphone. You don't have a phone, nta telefone ufite, tu n'as pas de téléphone. He doesn't have a phone, nta telefone afite, il n'a pas de téléphone. We don't have a phone, nta telefone dufite, nous n'avons pas de téléphone. You don't have a phone, nta telefone mufite, cyangwa vous n'avez pas de téléphone. Twarabonye ko you dushobora kuyikoresha kuri haba mu buke muri singular cyangwa mu bwinshi muri plural. And then you say they don't have a phone or they do not have a phone. Nta telefone bafite cyangwa ils n'ont pas de téléphone, bien elles n'ont pas de téléphone. Ubu ni bwo buryo dukoresha iyo turi guhakana verbs ari muri present simple tense. As I said before, we do not only use this don't or do not or doesn't or does not only for the verb to have, but it is also used up for all of the verbs in present simple tense. Then I want you now to practice, to do this practice, then fill in the correct negative. She dots a pen, we dots a house, he dots a bike. Then you correct this practice and then you write in the comments, and then I will correct some of the mistakes that you have made. Thank you so much for this video.